I hope to, I'm not gonna prolong this because I know I'm not the one you want to hear in this afternoon, but I just want to take this opportunity. First, allow me to give a message of gratitude. First, of course, thank you, Lord, for allowing this to happen. You know, as the writer-director, it started with a blank page, and now we're here with all of you, and this project is very personal to me. So we really wanted this to be intimate. So hindi naman para ma-feel special din. Pero kaya in-invite because this is really very intimate event for all of us. You know, I thank you for coming here. I'm sure marami sa inyo medyo hindi aware. Ano ba itong pupuntahan natin? Ano bang makasasaksihan ninyo? And even coming to this office building, na it's not really a usual venue place for a venue like this, no? But you still went, you still got into the elevator, you still walked the hallway. And I hope that you were surprised, at least happy, surprised when you entered here, na may ganito palang space within an office building like this. And essentially, that's what the Corner Studio is all about. No? You might think when you look at this, photography studio, but we've had events here, mini events like this. We've had conferences, mini conferences. We've had mini plays, mini workshops, puro mini. Very intimate, but we've had voice lessons here, acting workshops here. We really believe at the Corner Studio that we can look at the entire creative process and not just what it looks like after or the final output. And on that note, the Corner Studio is stepping literally outside of the box. We're going to PETA with the first major production that we're doing. And with that, we hope that you, I heard someone said, the best works of art are the ones that transcend its platforms and recreates itself with the audience. And for me, that's really deep. Diba totoo naman, yung mga magaganda talagang linya ng mga gawa na nilikha ng mga tao, they are the works of art that transcends its milieu, transcends its medium, and recreates something with the audience. So that the audience becomes also a creator. And the creator sometimes becomes the audience. Nag-i-evolve yung work of art. And that is special. So I hope that despite the hassle of the commute, despite the unassuming place that you're here right now, despite this intimate event, there's something special that you pick up tonight. To this afternoon rather, and that is something that you would be able to take home, because here we really believe that out of the box ideas really start at the corner. So with that, without further ado, thank you very much. I'm going to give you back to Juan Paolo.
Thank you so much, Edwin Veloso. So I'm sure familiar na po kayo na yung mga